Welcome to the Kent State University Speech and Hearing Clinic. Our well-rounded clinic provides a variety of services to the university and surrounding community. We perform comprehensive hearing evaluations, which include speech and noise testing to help fully evaluate our patients' communication issues. Other diagnostic testing performed include central auditory processing disorder evaluation, otoacoustic emissions, and auditory brainstem response. In addition to diagnostic evaluations, we offer a comprehensive communication needs assessment, which may include hearing aid selection and assistive device use. The Kent State University Speech and Hearing Clinic has 3 fully equipped suites that include GSI audiometers and tympanometers, as well as audio scan real ear equipment for verification and troubleshooting of hearing aid fittings. Our clinic dispenses an assortment of hearing aid manufacturers, styles, and levels of technology. Student clinicians have the opportunity to assist patients from our local community, including patients from Opportunities for Ohioans with Disabilities, Kent State's Student Accessibility Services, and patients from the surrounding areas. While students are placed in our clinic, they will have the opportunity to work with a range of clinic preceptors who have a diverse clinical background, including private practice, medical settings, and educational settings. Our faculty also engage in unique research spanning a variety of areas of interest. To aid in this research, the Speech and Hearing Clinic houses advanced resources, including the Hearing and Aging Lab. The lab is used to study the impact of aging in the auditory system, especially related to the increased speech perception difficulties that listeners have as they age. The lab uses electrophysiological and behavioral methods to examine the relative contributions of peripheral, central, and cognitive mechanisms that affect speech perception in older adults. The Perception, Learning, and Individual Differences labs use perceptual, cognitive, and physiological techniques to investigate how and why adolescents hear and listen differently than adults. The Speech and Hearing Clinic is also home to the world's largest hearing aid museum, the Kenneth W. Berger Hearing Aid Museum. Established in the late 1960s, the museum encompasses more than 3,000 hearing aid models and houses various antique audiometers and archival materials. If you have any questions or would like additional information on Kent State's Speech and Hearing Clinic, please contact us at 330-672-2672.